Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm just going to cut straight to the chase. This is the look I'll be showing you today using all airbrush products. The eyeshadow and everything is done by airbrush. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. And P.S. this is a voiceover. First thing is first, I went ahead and prepped my skin with my skincare. You guys know the drill. I use Drunk Elephant. Then I'm going in with my TEMPTU primer, and I'm just applying this to my face and rubbing it all the way in. Next, I'm going in with my Brilliant Glow, and this is also a primer. It kind of gives you a glowy base, and I love using this right before I apply foundation. It just looks really good. So I'm spraying this all over my face, and I used an empty pot to do this. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade medium, and I'm applying a couple of drops of my TEMPTU mixing medium, and I'm going to conceal and highlight my face with this. That shade was a little bit too dark for a highlight color, so I'm just going to go ahead with the shade light medium and also mixed it with the mixing medium and applying this right on top just a little bit to brighten it up just a tad bit. And then I'm blending this out with my Real Techniques Instapop cheek brush. I like to set that all in place with my Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent setting powder, and I just kind of bake very lightly. I just press the powder in, but I don't leave it on for long, and then I go ahead and dust all of that off. So I'm kind of in between shades. I am between 8W and a 9N in the TEMPTU Perfect Canvas Foundation. So I go in with the shade 8W first and give myself a warm base. And then after that, I apply a layer of the 9N. And this kind of lightens the foundation just a little bit because of that neutral undertone. And it's just the perfect match for my skin. The good thing about this foundation is that it can be layered. You don't have to mix it like you do normal foundations to get your shade. You could just layer them. Like apply one color and then apply the second color if you're in between shades like I am. So I'm going in with the shade 11, and I'm using this to contour my face. And as you guys have noticed from my previous TEMPTU videos, I am darker because it was summertime and I got really, really tan. So yeah, this is shade 11 for my contour. TEMPTU needs to come out with this highlighter combination because it is incredible. This is the SB highlighters in the shade White Shimmer and Gold Shimmer. I mixed these in an empty pot, and then I put the little cap back on, and I'm holding the needle and pulling back the trigger, and that's just back bubbling. That's just a little trick that I do to mix the shades together so I don't have to mix it with like a brush. And look at that highlight. I live for that highlight. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just highlighting my face with this because you guys know I like to glow for the gods. The blush I'll be going in with is Pale Pink, and I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks and blending them outward to kind of melt together that contour and that highlight color. Now I'm just applying a tiny bit of translucent powder right over all of this just because I want it to be mattified. You don't have to do this step. I just always do it just as an extra precaution. Then I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer, and I'm using this to contour my nose ever so slightly because you guys know I like a snatched nose. And the brush I'm using is my Morphe. I can't remember the name or the number, but I'll link it down below. And then this is just a little bit of highlighter, powder highlighter that I applied to the bridge of my nose so it can be nice and highlighted. Brows are done, and now I'm going in with the shade Citrine. This is AirShadow, and I apply this to kind of mute out my eyelids, and of course it's also used as a primer. I didn't apply any other primer before this, and now I'm just drying it. I'm not holding the trigger or anything to the air gun, just drying it. For my crease color, I'm going in with the shade Tiger's Eye, and I'm just applying this to my crease. Going closer, if you notice, in the immediate crease area, and then I kind of buff it out by moving my air gun a little further to kind of blend that all out. And now I'm just drying it with just air. Next, I'm going back in with that same highlighter color. As you see, I still have it in the pot, and I'm just applying this to the lid for a nice wash of shimmer on my lids. For my lower lash line, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I'm going in with this like mauve color down here, and I'm just applying this to my lower lash line. And this is the only color I'll be applying to my lower lash line to give it some definition. Next, I'll be going in with my Milk Makeup Eye Pencil. This is in the nude color. I don't remember the name, but I'll link it down below. And I'm just applying this to my waterline to brighten up my eyes. Then I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Roller Liner in the brown shade. And I'm just using this to wing my eyeliner just a little bit. I'm not doing like a crazy dramatic wing. Just a little. Then I'm going with my TEMPTU Built to Lash mascara and applying a coat to my lashes because this is one of the best mascaras out there and it's amazing. Next, I'm going in with my Lily lashes. These are in the style NYC and they just really brighten up my eyes. The lip pencil I'll be using is by ColourPop Cosmetics. This is the shade BFF, and then this is the Huda Beauty not liquid, sorry. This is the Power Bullet lipstick in the shade Interview. Okay guys, that's it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for staying until the very end. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!